Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss faces, edges and vertices. Here, look at the following solids. Here you see this is the edge, this is the face and this is the vertex. Here you see this is another figure, this is another figure and this is another figure. Each of these solids is made up of polygonal regions. Polygonal regions which are called its faces. These are faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These faces meet at edges which are line segments, and the edges meet at vertices which are points. Such solids are called polyhedrons. For example, like this. These are polyhedrons. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are not polyhedrons, right? However, the polyhedrons different from non-polyhedrons. To study the figures carefully, you know three other types of common solids. This is sphere, curved surface. This is a cone, this is lateral surface, this is base. Here this is cylinder, this is lateral surface, this is base and this is also base. Convex polyhedrons. You will recall the concept of convex polygons. The idea of convex polyhedron is similar. These are convex polyhedrons, but these are not convex polyhedrons. Regular polyhedrons. A polyhedron is said to be regular if its faces are made up of regular polygons and the same number of faces meet at each vertex. For example, this one. This polyhedron is regular. Its faces are congruent, regular polygons. Vertices are formed by the same number of faces. This polyhedron is not regular. All the sides are congruent, but the vertices are not formed by the same number of faces. 3 faces meet at point A, but 4 faces meet at B. Two important members of a polyhedron family around are prisms and pyramids. These are prisms, these are pyramids. We say that a prism is a polyhedron whose base and top are congruent polygons and whose other faces, the lateral faces, are parallelograms in shape, that is prism. On the other hand, a pyramid is a polyhedron whose base is a polygon or of any number of sides and whose lateral faces are triangles with a common vertex. If we join all the corners of a polygon to a point not in its plane, we get a model for pyramid. A prism or a pyramid is named after its base. Thus, a hexagonal prism has a hexagon as its base, and a triangular prism has a triangle at its base. What then is a rectangular prism? What is a square pyramid? Clearly, their bases are rectangle and square respectively. Here we will find a formula, that is, in each of these cases, we find A plus B is equal to E plus 2, right? That is face plus vertex is equal to E edge plus 2, and this relationship is called Euler's formula. In fact, this formula is true for any polyhedron. Now we will discuss next question exercise 10.3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.